Good afternoon and welcome to Automotive News Video. I'm Tiara Riddick. In 2017, Smart Motors Toyota took a bold step by installing a solar panel system atop their facility. Comprising 940 solar world panels, it's a 325 kilowatt powerhouse. The first year alone saw a harvest of nearly 430,000 kilowatt hours. And over its 25-year life expectancy, it's projected to generate about 37% of the energy needed annually. Smart Motors Assistant General Manager Rob Jordan gives us just a little bit of a background.
So Smart Motors, we've since we built our building about 15 years ago, we've really prided ourselves in making sure that we are friendly to the environment. We know it's a large building. It's about 100,000 square foot building, and we know that we have a large carbon footprint. So reducing that footprint as much as possible is something that's important to us, whether it's water conservation or what do we do with our waste oil, and then with our electrical use, which is why we started looking at solar panels.
In over 6 years, the panels have been trouble-free. This stands out in an industry where energy costs rank as the third highest operating expense. According to the National Automobile Dealers Association, solar savings could equate to selling 2 to 3 more vehicles per month, a substantial impact for decades.
Other benefits are, any excess energy that you generate gets sold back into the grid. So there's a small amount of benefit there. And then it just overall just fits into our plan for sustainability and environmentalism, especially here in Dane County. It's really important to our customers, and it's important to us. And so we just think that, regardless of what side of the climate change argument you're on, it just makes sense to utilize and be a good steward of the earth, and clean air, clean energy is just a good plan, regardless of what your feelings are towards any of the political issues surrounding it.
Smart Motors Toyota not only reduced operating costs, but also showcases a commitment to sustainability. Jordan noted the company has a goal to enhance its solar power initiatives.
We have about 6 different buildings. The main building is where we've done all of our solar initiatives, and it's because it's the largest building. It's 100,000 square feet. Some of our other buildings, smaller buildings, it was cost prohibitive to pursue this, 6 years ago, but now solar has come down to a point where we're constantly keeping an eye on it, because we want to see when does it make sense to put it on some of our other buildings. And so we're very close to that. We have a couple of buildings that are about 30 and 40,000 square feet. And so that provides another opportunity for us to expand.
Thanks for watching. For breaking news, stick with autonews.com. Have a great night and a wonderful Thanksgiving.